guys, another day at the train station. Well, it's not really morning actually anymore. Look at that, that's so cool. But yeah, so now I just had export management and I have French class. I tried to work a little bit on my paper and I'm gonna continue after dinner. I think currently 16:35. So I still can't believe that Luxembourg actually happened. I'm always telling my friends now that it was like amazing and that I'm like raving about it so much, but it's because it's like my first day back to school after Luxembourg and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on. Oh, nice. I love this color. This is Kiko Milano. I'll show you guys. So this is Kiko Milano. It's this one right here. So beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful. And yeah. So now I'm in the train, as you guys can see. Oh, I look a little bit terrible, but that's okay. Yeah, so I got a new coat. This is from Zara. This is from Primark. This is from Big L. It's like a big outlet store here in the Netherlands. And yeah, I love my sunglasses. They are from Ray-Ban. They're so cute. I love them so much. And right now I'm going to Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them #2, Grindelwald's Crimes, and I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god, I love like the whole like world of Harry Potter and like the sequels, and like just to make more please for me. I love it. I actually wanted to tell you guys a little bit more of the minors that I could choose from, because I totally forgot about it because of the Luxembourg trip. As you guys saw, those vlogs are already up right now, but I wanted to read some of the options that we had for the minors. Just a second. Okay, so for the minor options, we were able to choose between Eastern European politics, ideas, ideology, and iconography in European politics, philosophy, arts and culture, and powerhouse Germany, political communication in the 21st century, social entrepreneurship and innovations in the global perspective, social and culture in the English-speaking world, and strategic choices, what I am gonna do, crisis communication, and I'm also gonna do journalism and media. And then the last option was sustainability in business. So those were the options that we could choose from for the minors. And the minors, we had to choose 2 if we were gonna do like the whole semester, because they're like two small minors, so both of them are 15 credits. So yeah, that was why I was so nervous, because they're like, well, compared to a lot of other studies, it's a rather limited amount. So my friends and I, we agreed to meet up next week and we're gonna bake together actually. So I might vlog a little bit of that if I bring my camera and remember to charge it and everything. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. We have actually never hang together, like all 4 of us, so that's gonna be pretty nice. We're gonna make some cookies. We're actually gonna make like a cake. They wanted some almond type of cake tart, almond tart, and they also wanted some vanilla, some German vanilla cake. So that's gonna be interesting. I'm excited to hang with my friends, like whatever we do. and it's also Black Friday next week, so I hope I can get some good deals. Even though I don't really need a lot of clothes, I would like to find at least one turtleneck. I would like to find at least one turtleneck sweater and that I can use for the fall, like it's fall winter here. And this jacket is pretty thick. I love it so much. I love the color and everything. I love the sunglasses. Like, look at the lighting and everything in the glasses. So cool. I love that so much. When I was in the store and I could see like the reflection like this, that was like really a selling point for me. I was like, wow, okay, I think I'm gonna use them a lot, and I think they're cool. So yeah, that's a little update right now, at least in the train. City so much. So good. I come here like all the time to eat pho, and if I can't eat pho, then I buy a banh. It's, oh shit, my phone almost dropped, sorry. And yeah, look at these. Cool. I'm here with my boyfriend. So I texted my sisters and was like, yeah, I'm super excited to watch The Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. And then my older sister was like, yeah, I already saw it and it was disappointing. And I was like, no, don't tell me anything. I don't want to, I'm so like worried that I'm gonna make my own, like make up my opinion before the movie even started. So she was just like, no, I'm not gonna say anything, but I got disappointed, she said, and I was like, no. Well, in Norwegian, but I'm still excited. I was like, yeah, I really want to see it before anybody else, so that nobody can spoil anything for me. So I was like, okay, we gotta go on the premiere. It was last night, so like this is like the second day premiere. I don't know, but at least I got to see it early. Oh, it smells so amazing. Only 10 minutes until The Fantastic Beasts starts, but yeah, this is another movie I really want to see, Bohemian Rhapsody. Like, look at this poster, it's so cool. And yeah, now I'm in the cinema, just in Pathé. By the way, it is the premiere today, not the second day of the premiere, because the premiere night was tonight, so it was like at 12 o'clock and then 2 o'clock, so now it's 4 o'clock, it's the same day, so woo! I'm excited. Ooh, you can have ice cream here. You can like pick your own and make your own. This is cool. This is the movie we're gonna see. So now I'm home, and thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!